Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Dr. Samia Rahman and I'm here to explain how to write a review article. So let's go ahead and learn how to write a review article. So first of all, we need to know what is a review paper. Okay. So review article is actually a research article. What it does, it summarizes the current data or current knowledge that was published in previous 5 years, recent 5 years. So simply it analyzes or discusses the research that was previously published by other scientists. So it does not contain the new knowledge that is performed by the author. So we are reporting the previous research of other authors, other scientists or researchers. It is like a story. It is a kind of chain where each writer continues a story by his previously published research and add on it until we find the recent data, all recent data. Then again, what is a review article? Actually, it is a critical analysis of the literature in the specific field or about the specific topic. Then it may contain summary, classification, analysis, comparison, examples, and all other factors that are related to that topic and published till now. Actually, it is a scientific data that is related to data published in previous years. So why review article is important, or what is the function of review article? Review article actually identifies the problem. It organizes all the literature. It evaluate or analyze the literature, identify patterns, identify factors that were affecting the topic or the problem. All the classification types and trends of the literature are also discussed. In short, all published aspects of a topic are written in the review article. It also identifies the research gaps and recommend future goals on the basis of these research gaps that were not filled by previous researchers. So now the question is, a simple question arises, how long should be a review article? So usually a review article has 8,000 to 40,000 words. Then there are also some articles that are known as systematic reviews. They may contain less than 10,000 words. They are shorter ones. Now, what are the elements of review article, or what are the components of review article? So first of all, title is written. The first component of review article is the title. It is the uppermost. It is written on the uppermost of the document, uppermost area of the document, and it addresses the problem that is discussed in the review article. By looking at the topic, just on the topic, we come to know whether we further read it or not. After that, list of authors is included. So list of authors are actually the scientists who has written the review article. Then come the abstract. Abstract is actually the short summary. It is composed of 200 to 250 words, and it discusses the main objectives and result of the review article. So next part of review article is introduction. Introduction provides the basic information about the topic and introduces the topic. So introduces the problem that is discussed and importance of the topic, application of the topic, and it sets all objectives that will be set for solving the problem so far. Next, why your topic is important to science and people so far. Now comes to the body. The body is the main part of review article. It has the details, all details about the topic. It contains all the models or theories. So what are the supporting evidences discussed in the research papers previously published, and what are the arguments that are against the topic? All things are discussed in the body of review article. Examples are given, classification are given, and types are also given in the body. So it is a detail about the topic. Now come to the conclusion. So in conclusion, we answer the research questions or research problems that were set in the objectives of the introduction. We summarizes important factor. It may consist of 3 to 4 lines or 10 lines. Actually, it is a summary of each heading or subsection. It is the focus point of each heading. The main point that was discussed and concluded in each heading is written in the conclusion. So it sums up or collect all the ideas that were discussed in the review paper in one paragraph. Now come to the references. References must be in APA style, and an author should write 50 to 100 references in the review article. So this portion this portion is especially for my students who want to write a review article. There are quick tricks for designing a review. So I will explain it. First of all, you must know your topic on which you have to write a review. Now open Google. Write Google Scholar on the search bar. Then when you are able to open the Google Scholar search bar, write your topic here. Just for example, I have written a topic that food helps in curing cancer in the search bar of Google Scholar. Now you are using Google Scholar instead of Google alone. Okay, so first step was to select a topic, then write it in Google Scholar. You can also set your year or time of which article you need to study. Very easy method. The easiest method to write a review is that you should search a previous review article on your topic, note down its headings, and now search for these headings. What is the recent research has done about these subheadings? So this is very short method to write a review paper. Now in detail I will discuss how to prepare a review article. Please listen carefully. It's very easy. So first of all, select a topic of updated research in which no review article is published in last 5 years. Then write the topic in Google Scholar. Okay, this is the bar of Google Scholar, this one. And now you have written your topic there. Then a number of papers come in front. So you need to set the time. Like that, I am accepting papers that are starting from 2017 and like till 2021. These articles are published in this time period. So you have to an option to set the time or set the year. Okay, so articles that are come in front after searching, they will be of specific year. Just like I have written 2017 to onwards, so you can see the article was published in 2017. Previous articles will not be shown. Again, define research questions and write subheadings of the topic. Then search your subheadings in Google Scholar from the 5 previous years, not older than that. Okay. If there is a topic, there is a paper, research paper that you are unable to find out on Google Scholar, or it is not opening on Google Scholar, so there is a method that you can open an article in full PDF. So open Science Hub and paste your link of the article there. It will help to open the full paper or complete paper. Okay. Now you are finding your material. Make notes by rewriting your literature. If you are copy paste is not allowed. It will call plagiarism. If you have written 3 adjacent words, it will be copied in plagiarism, like easily identified plagiarism, and it is not accepted. First of all, you have to write the idea that you are picking from the paper, reading from the paper in your own words. Then you have to type it in the Word. And after each idea that is taken from one paper, you have to write the reference. So it is known as citation. So citation is actually writing reference after you have written one point from one paper. Okay, if you are taking one point from a research paper, you have to cite it. You must have to write reference. So I am giving the example. This is my paper. You can see the title: Dry climatic condition increase light content of withania coagulants, enhancing its inhibitor potential against human prostate cancer. So in the literature, while you are writing your essay, how you write your reference? Who is now see who is the first author? So my name is Samia Rahman. So write second name of my full complete name, Rahman. And now you will see if the authors are greater than 3. If the authors are greater than 3, you will write the terminology at all. That is, the authors are greater than 3 in number. In my case, there are a lot of authors. You can see the names. So you will not write all the authors. You will write at all. Then comma, and after that you will write the year in which the article is published. You will enclose this reference or citation within the bracket. I think you must understand it. Now there are exercises for citations, for writing citations for students or for everyone who is looking the video. So there are papers and you have to write the citation that will be written in between the essay of the review article. You have to write the citation in the comments. Now I will tell you the easiest method of writing references at the bottom, at the most bottom of the research paper. For any of your assignment of or any research article or any review article, you have to write references at the end of your document. Okay, this is a separate chapter in which you write references of all the material, all the points that you have cited in your paper. Okay, so write your topic in the bar of Google Scholar. Just like I have write, does diet cure cancer? This is a topic. I have written it in the bar of Google Scholar. At the bottom of each paper that is in front of us, we can see different signs, different terms. First of all, there is a term of star, and then there are 2 commas. So we have to click 2 commas. So again, when we will click it, we will see the reference in different styles. So we have to select the APA method. So just when we will select the APA method, and we will select the reference, written reference, and paste it on your document. So in this APA method, first of all, the names are written with comma, and their first name is not written. It is written their first alphabetical from which they are started, it is written. Then year is enclosed by bracket, and then the topic on which you are searching, the topic of the article, then in which article it was published, in which journal it was published, then volume and page number are also written. Thank you. It is